Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys doing well and staying healthy and safe at home. So today's video is going to be about the introduction about me and my YouTube channel, that what I'll post there, what I'm thinking to post in future. So coming to me, let me introduce myself. Oh, it's sounding like I'm giving an interview. So I'm a software engineer. I have a full-time job and I'm living in Pune, like for some office work. So currently I'm on notice period. So the best thing about notice period is like you don't have to take up the new task and you have to just give KT to the person who is replacing you. So currently I don't have much load, so I'll be making lot of videos and learning some editing things. So this is about me and coming to my channel. So I am still not sure like what exactly I should post there, because I have so much things in my mind, but it's like still I'm not sure like what exactly I should post there, because like I think that should I post related to photography stuff or travel related things or my daily life or something related to IT. But I think I'm still not sure when I will travel again because of the situation, so I can't think about posting about travel. And coming to my IT things, so I think I'll get bored after one time if I'll post only about IT, because I have a 9 to 5 job, and after that if I'll be making a video about it, then I think I'll get more bored. And about my photography, so like photography is a kind of thing in which I'm learning something new every day, so I think I am not that pros so that I can give some tips, or I can kind of teach someone photography. Yeah, I have some basic knowledge about it, and I'm like upgrading myself every day. So like in IT, like if you have to upgrade yourself every time, every day, with new technologies or something new. So like I have to read a lot, like I have to do some training kind of things. Currently I'm doing AWS training because everyone is using in every project there is a requirement of AWS, so I'm doing it. And yeah, so for my YouTube videos, I think that nowadays everyone is making YouTube videos, so sometimes I get a thought like if everyone is making video, who will watch my video? I have very few subscribers currently, but yeah, sometimes I do not get that good response. Like I do lot of hard work editing a particular video. I learned from YouTube how to do a particular thing, and I do all these things, and when I post and I do not get the proper response means do not get any subscriber or like or comment. So sometimes I feel bad, not that much bad, but kind of demotivated. But then I think that if I'll be doing it, then I'm learning something new, like I'm learning something new related to editing a video or editing any effect. So this things keeps me motivated, and yeah, I'm making videos. So I don't know what I should speak in that intro video. Okay, so coming to my photography, so actually I started yeah, so I started doing photography in previous lockdown itself. I was unaware that I love doing it, so I just clicked some photos, tried to edit them, and then like I started enjoying it. Then I bought a camera and started doing some photography, different kind of photographies, like travel photography and flat lays. So nowadays I'm doing flat lays because I cannot go anywhere outside, so just doing flat lays in my home currently. So yeah, like I'm kind of a person who wants to explore everything. Like if you will see my photography page, then you will get every kind of photos there. If you will see my YouTube channel, then you will get every kind of videos there. It's not like it's about a particular thing. Like if you will see someone else's channel, then you will see that if it is about food, then they are posting the stuffs related to food. If you will see any photography page, so they are posting the stuffs related to a particular thing only. Like if it's about food, then every post is related to food. But for me, like I post, like I like to click everything, and I want to explore everything. Sometimes I feel that by doing this I'm not going anywhere, but the thing is these things make me happy. So at the end I get the best answer, like if you're happy then it's okay, you don't have to worry anything about. So yeah, so this is my life, like this is the introduction kind of thing about me. I don't know if this video is making sense or not, but yeah, I love to speak, so I'm speaking. Okay. And I'm having a full-time job, but like now, from now onwards, I'm thinking to post one video in a week. So I have to choose a day, and on that day I'll be posting the video every week. So in that way I'll be committed to YouTube, and so I'll try doing that. Now is about me and my channel. So if you like the content I post, so you can do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye. I will meet you in my next vlog.